Mateusz Rebecki will be fighting Ludwig Klein. Both fighters are in pretty much nice shape, and Ludwig Mr. Highlight Klein is 5 foot 7, 72.5 inches of reach. Fighting out of Novezanki, Slovakia. Lost to Mateusz Gamrot prior to that he defeated Thiago Moises, Roosevelt Roberts, AJ Cunningham, Ignacio Bahamondes. He kinda shocked me. Those victories over Devontae Smith, Mason Jones, and Mateusz Rebecki lost to Chris Duncan and Diego Ferreira, but destroyed Mikti Bikorobai, Roosevelt Roberts, Likrach Khabov, Nick Fiore. They are both very, very strong, and I believe this is one of the best pairing. Poland meets Slovakia. Both of these guys are willing to fight until the last time breath, and I have a feeling that Mateusz Rebecki is going to win, though it's going to be a very close fight. But I'm giving slight advantage to Mateusz Rebecki, so I say Rebecki to win.